Okay, we're going live. Yat making sure that I have something to hang on to here. Let's go with this little box here. And we'll do this first, okay? This is first. So these are rattle. All right, so what we're doing is we're learning words that have the vowel I with a consonant. So a consonant vowel. So let's go to the red box. So this has got a high tone, stretch, high tone. So D, the next one. D, 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 she, D, she. I'll put it together. D, she, D, she, D, she, dish, dish. All right, let's go to the next square. And we'll kind of let go of that one, and then we'll go to the next square. This is what I call. Okay, let's look at that one. This is what I call the south words. Je, ne, je, ne, je, ne. All right. Je mille, je mille, je mille. Next one. Ni, then. Put it together. Ni, then. Ni, then. All right. Sis. Sis. Next one. D, J, D, J. The whole thing. D, J, D, J. Next one, last one. D, D. All right, pretty good. Let's go to the yellow thing, and let's put that red thing around it. All right, here we go. Tien, tien. Next one. Tsin, tsin. 3. In, in, in. Next one, 4 sounds. Nit, nit. E, kij. Nit, nit. E, kij. The next one, yin, zin. Yinizin, yinizin. Jinni, jinni, jinni. Last one. Si tien, si tien. All right, good. Journey. Let's go to the next one. There we go. Here we go. Clear that thing. I'm gonna get the black box or something. Just 3 words. Be, yip. The short one on the last part. Be, yin. Be, yip. All right, that's a short one. Be, yip. And the next one, ni. That's a short sound. Ni, ni, next one, ye, yes, ye, yes, the whole thing, ye, yes, ye, yes. Ah, very good. That's it for today. Thank you.